Hi, this is Jin here. Welcome to our Living Food series. Today, I want to share with you tomato pineapple salsa. This series of videos are inspired by food as oneness, all life supporting all life. So, all you need is 1/2 cup tomatoes chopped, 1/4 cup fresh pineapple tidbits, 1 tablespoon Bragg's liquid aminos, 1/8 cup chopped coriander leaves, and all you do is mix all the ingredients and serve with bread and spread, or preferably okra masala and wakame ginger salad with a purple corn Peruvian drink, super drink. But of course you can combine it with any other food that you like. Cool. So here it is. This is the tomato pineapple salsa with some coriander leaves there. See that? So you can increase the amount of Bragg's or soy sauce, or if you want salt in there. I did not put sesame oil or any kind of oil because I'm on a low fat, low sugar diet, listening to all this raw food personalities. It seems like it's the way to go. So let me taste the salsa. The pineapple really blended well with all the ingredients. My stuff is about not just about taste and textures and all those sort of things. I think we have to revolutionize the way we look at food rather than our desire being for food and for taste being satisfied by food. We should look at food assisting our body to make it healthy and strong first. Then the tastes and textures come secondary. That's my take on this, on the food, in the food area. That's why I'm into food as oneness. Okay, great. So thank you for watching. Till next time, please visit my website at www.vegetarianoneness.ning.com, where good food, vegetarians, vegans, and raw foodists meet as one. Bye for now.